Yeah, some people ask, like, what is math used for, right? Like, why do we even need to know this? Well, it's the code of the universe. So, hood scholar style, I'm gonna give y'all a brief history of the universe, right? Check. See, the seed was planted way back when we were inanimate. The particles of the universe got heated, expanded, and then bam, it went into Big Bang, increasing the randomness called entropy, entering an age of breeding and planning. Its most prized possession was a rock in the darkness, and it floated about until it got locked in the crosses of gravity from a star, which gave it light and the vitamins for life. Then all was lit, raising gases to heights where the stars' rays combined with elements like nitrogen, forming atmospheres to make the sky rain hydrogen, which cooled the rock and lava, letting microbes go. And it just so happened light was food, allowing the growth. Strange chemicals they possess, chlorophyll would get mixed, bonds broken and bonds formed, transforming to necessary nourishment, flourishing, releasing oxygen, making alternate life forms possible. Forms that alternate posture, one would rise with the mind to explore skies and combine observation to model clay to constellations, the computations involved to solve how their rotations align with the ocean's waves and the way the seasons change. It became amazing magic, mathematical correlations, exploring places and studying more to form equations, realizing the power to power entire nations by harnessing fossils made at the start of the earth's creation. It's funny how the same things existed when all was dormant, the same laws, resources responsible for the forces propelling a rocket engine to outer space and beyond. It was Von Braun who saw how the formulas would be formed. It was something some would consider sorcery, never dreamed of the dream to leave the surface of earth would ever be, but it was, and it was mapping and math that made it possible. Newton creating calculus after the apple dropped on him. Einstein, Niels Bohr, and Schrodinger needed more. They started to study atomic phenomena and cores of atoms until the mathematical parameters were born, which birthed the mathematical logic to make the phones that we use on a daily basis. The global position traces, equations made when Einstein found time to be latent is crazy, but the math never lies. A continuation, the calculations say it's just a start within the races to master the universe, transverse in infinite space, researching all of the ways we can leave if ever the day comes where Earth was no longer suited for life. No one can stay, and we travel the galaxy in the space stations we made. We studied for everyone, we studied so we could save every human life. That's why it's respect within every page. Yeah, forever bonding the universe in its ways. Holler hood scholars every minute of every day. Master the acrobatics of NASA, the mathematical capital. Who will take on the task of asteroids in the path? Who calculating the math? Who detonating the blast? Harness the wrath and the code to control the elements now. Who asking what it is for? Why is it supreme on this earth? Cause it's the eloquent language by which this universe is written. Every force will fit in one of the laws of physics. Even your thoughts are in it, that's right. Spiritual matters have an equation in which it obeys, behaves by the digits and changes within it. The way that you're living is major to business. Yeah, major figures for the I'm gonna end it right there though. You get my drift. Hood scholars, keep up with us. Peace.